guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. For May's Smash Our Stash, we are talking about ribbon. So I am in a collab where every month we focus on a single item that we try and come up with creative uses for using it up. I'm going to put everybody's link below that's participating in this so you can get a ton of creative ideas for your ribbon. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make these trendy ribbon tassels that I think Maggie Holmes Garden Party kind of is inspired them. But what you basically do is you stack some ribbon on top of each other. You're gonna put it all together with this clasp. All the ribbon is gonna fit inside there. We're gonna pinch it together and that's gonna hold the ribbon together. We're gonna trim off the bottom and we're gonna add a little dangle. So what I have for supplies is this gold clasp, a wrapped bead, and this is just a light pink floral that I'm using. I have a little lobster clasp and I have a jump ring, and then I have ribbon. What I found out works better is thinner strips of ribbon, not real thick ribbon. The largest one I think I have is a 1/2 inch here. So I'm going to start on the bottom and I'm going to do this gold. I'm going to put a cream colored lace over the top of it. I'm just going to offset it just a little bit so they're not just right on top of each other. I'm going to do this pink leaf ribbon next. On top of that, I'm going to do a cream rickrack. And then lastly, I'm going to do this really pretty pink and gold 1/8 inch ribbon. And what I think works really well to hold everything in place, I'm actually going to put a little staple through everything. And this is just a little tiny stapler. Oh, that didn't work. Let me try my regular one. But this holds it together really nice while you're trying to get it in the gold, the little clasp here. Okay, so that held it much better, so I'm not really sure why that one wasn't working. But now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim off the top, close to the top of that staple. So it looks like this. So I have the staple and I've got all the ribbon hanging below, and we'll trim that up. So I'm going to take my gold clasp. I'm going to put that over the ribbon. I have this wider pliers that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to crimp both sides. That. I'm going to go through like this on both sides and do it just so I know that it's tight. Okay, so that is in there nice and tight. Just going to straighten out my ribbon a little bit here. Okay, next I'm going to add my lobster clasp. Not my lobster clasp, take my jump ring, open it up. I'm going to add the floral and I'm going to add the jump ring. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I want to do that. No. This. So I want the flower in the front, so I just had to make sure I was putting it on the right way. Tighten this back up like that. And that is what the front is going to look like. Now let's trim these up nice. I don't want them real long, and I'm going to cut them at an angle. So I've got the gold. Now I'm going to do the lace. Cut the flowery vine, that, and the rickrack. Okay. So I'm probably going to hit this with my iron as well, because this piece right here just doesn't want to stay flat. So I think if I give it a good press with my iron, it's all going to stay nice. this is what it looks like. So you've got the layers in there. You have it finished with the pink bead. I think they're super charming. I think this would be a nice collection or a nice addition to the side of a binder. You could clip it to the side of a memory dex card. You just might want to cut this a little bit shorter. Anywhere that you would put a tassel, you can use this instead. So let me know what you guys think. Feel free to play along with us if you make anything using ribbon. We'd love to see it. If you just want to use the hashtag SmashOurStash2021 on Instagram. Like I said, we'd love to see what you guys come up with. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.